Kingston Digital has introduced a new range of flashcards in the form of the Kingston Canvas Series, which will be available in 3 different variations in both SD and microSD cards. Features and specifications of the new Canvas flashcards include the Canvas Select, offering Class 10 UHS-I speeds up to 80 MB/s read, SD in capacities up to 128 GB and microSD up to 256 GB. The Kingston Canvas Go, designed for on-the-go shooters, making it ideal for filming life's adventures in 1080p or even 4K on DSLR, drone, or action camera, offering Class 10 UHS-I U3 speeds up to 90 MB/s read, 45 MB/s write and SD in capacities up to 512 GB and microSD up to 128 GB. Finally, the Canvas React, designed for 4K Ultra HD video or burst mode photos on DSLR, mirrorless camera, or smartphones. The cards offer Class 10 UHS-I U3 speeds up to 100 MB/s read, 80 MB/s write and SD in capacities up to 256 GB and microSD up to 128 GB. We are always determined to create new and improved storage solutions that meet our customers' needs, said Annette Chan, Flashcard Business Manager, Kingston. Canvas flashcards are durable, high in storage capacities and have fast transfer speeds to capture all of life's memories anywhere.